PEVA. Convenient, this splash home shower curtain needs no liner to work. The standard size shower curtain measures 70 inches by 72 inches, matching your straight or curved, long shower curtain rods. Durable, it guarantees long-term usage, and does not easily break. Created to help improve the quality that can withstand damage and discoloration. Waterproof, this shower curtain prevents water bead formation, so water will swiftly roll off the surface, keeping your bathroom dry and clean, and free from splashes and sprays of water. Safe, many low-quality shower liners on the market contain PVC that can last for a short period. PEVA and EVA contain significantly fewer VOCs and are popularly known alternative to PVC since it is chlorine-free and recyclable plastic. Our brand offers a great set of selection shower curtain liners in different colors and styles. These are likely to suit your bathroom color scheme at any home, apartment, condo, hotel, and anywhere else. Top reviews from the United States. Decent basic shower liner. I liked the basic white tree design, so when our cloth shower curtain is being washed, it will still add a decorative element to the bathroom. Better gauge liner than what the local $1 store has to offer, frosted look adds a little privacy, and nice enough to use as a simple standalone curtain.